Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the solar-powered Nitebeam. This is an outdoor mountable light that dishes out 750 lumens. It's extremely bright, perfect for any outdoor setting. Whether it's your front door, above your garage, you can put these on porches, patios, outdoor stairways. Think of all the different places that you want to shed a little extra light at night, outdoors. This is perfect for that. It even comes with mounting hardware, so you can attach it to your siding, to wood surfaces, just about anywhere. Now the great thing about this is that it charges up in the sun. It has a really nice solar panel on the top here, so it's going to charge up all day, and then it's going to go on at night automatically. Now what's nice about this is that the solar panel doubles as a night sensor, so it's going to detect when it's night outside and it won't go on unless it is. And then it even has a motion sensor, so it's not going to activate until you actually walk in front of it, and this is going to conserve the battery life during the night. Now these are SMD light panels on here, so these are next generation, super bright, and they're guaranteed for over 100,000 hours. So these are going to last you a really, really long time. Now this is actually weatherproof, so all you have to do is click the button once, mount this, and you are set. You don't have to mess with it anymore. Like I said, it goes on and off automatically, and it's not going to get damaged outside. The one thing to remember is to mount it somewhere that's going to get plenty of sunlight during the day. We have a fantastic deal on the Nitebeam, and you're going to save more when you buy more, which is perfect because you're going to want these all around your house. Head on over to the site and grab yours today.